Welcome to this episode of Coach's Corner. In this episode we'll be tackling maintenance on your K4000. The Husqvarna K4000 is a lightweight electric cutoff saw. You use a 14-inch blade just like you would on your normal cutoff saw. But the advantages of it are it's lightweight and has an easy to grip handle on top, so you can do tuck pointing with it or do tough cutouts that you wouldn't normally be able to get with a regular cutoff saw. Another advantage of the K4000 is you can run it wet or dry. With the wet, you hook it up just like a normal cutoff saw, hooking up your water spigot. If you want to run it dry, there's an attachment you can purchase that slides right on the bottom, allowing you to hook it up to a vacuum and being OSHA compliant. The reason regular maintenance on your K4000 is important is running it dry, dust gets in the back here and it will rub on the coating outside the GFI sensor, and if that wears off, then you're going to keep continually dripping the breaker. Alright, what you're going to need is a soft bristle brush, nothing too hard that would scratch the back, water, and then your power source. What you're going to want to do is tip the saw straight up and down, put your water source right on the back, run the water directly into it while running the saw at high speed without a blade on it, of course. And then you'll want to take a break from the water, clean this out, and then hit it again with the water and do that 4 or 5 times until you're not getting any more slurry out of the saw. Now that we've cleaned out the inside of the K4000, some other maintenance to check on is to make sure your blade flanges are good. They shouldn't be sharp. You should be able to run your thumb along without cutting it. If you run into any other issues with your K4000, contact your Esch rep in your local area. Our mechanics are happy to come out on site and take a look at it and make sure you're up and running. That concludes this episode of Coach's Corner. If you have any other issues you need tackled, leave a message in the comment section below, send us an email, or give us a call. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.